Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how you can connect a spreadsheet with Layerre to create image variants of your Canva design. So the prerequisites for this tutorial are that you need a sheet, so I'm using Google Sheets here, with your data that you want to use to create your image variants. Over here, I have a text column with different texts and an image column with different Google Drive images. You also need a Canva design, which you want to replace the data with. So in my case, it's images and text. How I want to replace this image multiple times and this text. All right. So the first thing that you need to do is create a template with Layerre. So I'm going to go over here to n8n, add a first step, which is trigger manually. Then I'll go to Layerre and create a template. Here I'm going to create a new credential to connect to the Layerre API. And for that, I need my API key, which can be found on the dashboard under API keys here. So I'm gonna click add new, key name. There we go, my API key. Cool. Then I could just add it into this field and save. Nice. So now I can open the module again, select my new account. Right, and to create a template, you need your Canva design URL. So I'm gonna go to my Canva design, click share, anyone with the link can view. And I can copy that link and paste it into this field. So let's execute the step so I can create the template. Right, so now it's here. Beautiful. Okay, so now we created a template. And now if I want to collect data from my sheets, my spreadsheet, I can add a new node for Google Sheets app and get rows from a spreadsheet. Then you can create a new credential to connect your Google Sheets account. I used OAuth 2 here previously. And then I'm going to choose my spreadsheet, so it automatically fetches this one, and my sheet. So here, if I execute this step, I get my 2 rows that are here. Great. Now, the last step is to create variants in Layerre. This will create an image for the data that you replace for your Layerre template that you just created. So I just created Green Minimalist Earth Day poster, and that's what this called. And I want to replace the text over here, Earth Day, with my text from my sheet. So I can add an override option, select text, and here I'm going to drag this text from the spreadsheet here. Nice. And I can add another layer override for the image, add an override option, select image URL, and then I can drag the image URL as well here. Nice. So now everything is set to create image variants. I'm gonna save that. Now I can run the workflow. So first I'll actually deactivate this because we already created the template. It only needs to be created once. So now I'll click execute the workflow. So it grabbed the data from the Google Sheet, and now it's creating each variant for the 2 items that are here. So both of them. And at the end, it's gonna show both results at the same time. So let's wait for that to finish. Nice. So now over here we have the two designs, the two images that were created, and the URLs for them here. This is the first one, the text and image got replaced, and this is the second one. Nice. And yeah, you can add like quite a lot of rows here, and it will automatically create images for your given Canva template. This n8n workflow is available for you to try out as an example as well. Yep, thank you.